About the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the clear winner for today. Without a doubt, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is one of the great launches from the company. Its triple camera setup featuring a 70mm medium telephoto lens, another 166mm telephoto lens with 28 times optical zoom makes it one of the most complete professional drones on the market. The 3 Pro is a professional and very versatile drone. The triple camera is nothing short of amazing. Playing with the optical zoom of your telephoto lenses can allow you to capture subjects from quite a distance away with a maximum travel distance of up to 28 kilometers and a maximum travel time of 43 minutes. This extended flight time makes the DJI Mavic 3 Pro an excellent choice for long-term use. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts a primary Hasselblad 5.1K camera, perfect for professional photographers and videographers. The drone also features DJI's OcuSync 3.0 Plus communication system and software, enabling stable and reliable video transmission from long distances. Furthermore, the drone's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport, allowing pilots to take the drone with them on the go for extended long-range flights. As for video recording, the device allows you to record images in resolution up to 5.1K at 50 FPS or DCI 4K at 120 FPS. The drone is capable of flying for 43 minutes, and it also has an omnidirectional obstacle detection and a total of 8 visual sensors that allow for route planning and avoiding all kinds of unforeseen events during the flight. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it.